half kg of bitter gourd. I've taken medium sized bitter gourds, cut the top and end, make a slit in the center. Now I'm going to remove the seeds. Now that I've removed all the seeds, I'm going to rub the bitter gourd with some salt. I have not scraped out the exterior skin, I've retained it. Now if you want to scrape off the exterior skin, you can, it's optional. Make sure you rub the bitter gourd inside and outside. So rubbing salt into the bitter gourd reduces the bitterness to a certain extent. It will not remove the bitterness entirely, it will only reduce it to a certain extent. Keep this aside for about 20 minutes. We're going to make a masala powder for this. 1 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon kalonji seeds, quarter teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Dry roast the ingredients for about 2 to 3 minutes till you get a nice aroma. So the ingredients are roasted, turn off the stove, cool them completely. Transfer the roasted ingredients to the mixer jar. 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder or AMGHUR powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon ASAFOETIDA powder. Grind everything together. Take a white pan, add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil. If you don't have mustard oil, you can use regular refined oil. To this, I'm going to add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped. Fry the onions till they're a nice golden brown color. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add the ground masala powder. I'm adding about 3 tablespoons. You can adjust the masala powder according to the filling. To this, I'm going to add half teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. This is just to balance the flavors. It's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to rinse the salted bitter gourd a few times. Take a little bit of the filling. I'm going to just tie it with a string. This is just to keep it together while frying so that it doesn't open up. To the same pan, pour 2 tablespoons of mustard oil. Once the oil is hot, place the stuffed bitter gourd one by one. Keep the flame on medium and roast the stuffed bitter gourd. Now finally, after the bitter gourd is nicely fried and cooked, I'm going to sprinkle the masala powder. So finally, I'm just going to sprinkle a little salt. Give it a quick mix. Turn off the stove and serve the stuffed bitter gourd nice and hot. For the bitter gourd chips, we're going to slice the bitter gourd nice and thin, cut off the ends. The best way to slice it is by using a knife. You can ask me why can't I use a slicer. The thing is, I tried using a slicer and it wasn't very neat. Hence, I'm using a knife to slice the bitter gourd. So I've used about 3 large size bitter gourd. So now I'm going to season this with a little salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm going to toss it quickly, rub it into the sliced bitter gourd and let it sit for about 1 hour minimum. This will help to cut down the bitterness. Add water and wash the slices twice. So this will help to cut the bitterness. So now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of rice flour, about 4 heaped teaspoons of besan, that is gram flour. If you need more gram flour, you can always add. This is to coat the pieces. There is already enough moisture in the bitter gourd pieces, so you don't need to add any water. Make sure the oil is nice and hot. Now gently start dropping the bitter gourd slices into the oil. So make sure the flame is on high throughout the frying process, because you want the chips to be fried at a particular temperature. So once it stops sizzling, just gently remove it from the oil. For the pavaka kolumbu, first we are going to season the pavaka pieces, that is the bitter gourd pieces, with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Now this helps to cut down the bitterness of the vegetable. Just gently toss it. Pour a little water. Just mix it. Let this sit for about 15 minutes. Take a wide saucepan or kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal, cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, red chillies. To this add 1 onion chopped, 2 green chillies, few cloves of garlic, next add 1 large chopped tomato. Next add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, rinse the bitter gourd pieces and add them into the saucepan. Close and cook the vegetable for about 10 minutes. Next I am going to pour 1 cup of tamarind puree. Next add 1 cup of water. After 10 minutes of cooking the curry, add 2 teaspoons of powdered jaggery. Garnish it with some fresh curry leaves. Turn off the stove. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 frames.